In this lecture, we are going to create a script for our Spawn platform as soon as we launch the game. So we will see that the Spawn platform will start appearing from here. As we set dead end for our platform where these platforms are destroyed, similarly we have to create a set point from where these platforms start generating. So first of all, create an empty object and name it start point, and just I set its color into orange and break down it here. So our platform start originating from here. Another thing, I am going to select a box collider 2D, click on edit and set the collider size to the screen size of your game. Perfect. Now go to script folder. One thing is select and check the option is triggered. Now go to script folder and create a new script, name Spawn platform, and open it. First of all, I am going to create a list and name it public list game object. We will pass the game object and name it platform list equal to new list game object, and just press Ctrl save, go back to Unity editor, select start point, add component and attach Spawn platform. Here you can see platform list is appeared. Now set the index and name it set the platform index number of indexes 3. Go to prefab folder and drag the platform default platform rotating platform here. So when we will write, now we are going to write some code for this Spawn platform. First of all, I am going to declare some variable, and first one is public float spawn time. It will tell after how many seconds our platform start appear. Next is private float spawn count. It will count time. It will count the spawn, how many times a spawn platform is appear. And last one is private vector 3 and spawn position, and it will tell what is the position of our spawn. Now I am going to create a method and name it public void spawn platform, and here first thing, it will spawn spawn count time equal to time dot delta time, and next one is spawn position equal to transform dot position, and spawn position dot x equal to random dot range, and we will pass the parameter here. first of all make these name correct. Just spawn and spawn random.range. So what it will do, it will count the number of spawn and it will tell the position of spawn. So go back to Unity editor and here you can see, just select this default platform. Here you can see we will set the position of our platform for x-axis. Here you can see x value is minus 3.9. Just drag it here and set the minus 3.8, and also from here you can see only x value is changing. So our platform is start appear between these lines, between the screen size of our game. So go back to script and here we will pass minus 3.8 float and 3.8 float. Perfect. Now if spawn count time greater than equal to spawn time, spawn count time is equal to spawn time, what it will do, it will call platform appearance method, which we did not create it yet. Platform appearance method, and set the count time equal to spawn count time equal to 0. Perfect. Now we are going to create a method public void platform appearance and in this method I am going to int index equal to random dot range 0 into this one platform list dot count, and next thing instantiate platform list, and in list index spawn position and quantrinon dot identity, and just save it. Now in update method, call this method spawn platform, press save. What it will do, spawn appearance, first see this, if spawn count time greater than spawn time, that's mean number how many times our spawn is appear, and you can see if number of spawn time is greater than spawn time, you can see spawn time is the time after how many seconds the spawn is appear. If this spawn count time is greater than spawn time, it's mean it will call the spawn platform appearance method. And when this method is called, what will happen in this method, I have set the index dot random dot from 0 to platform list dot count. So here you can see the index of our spawn platform, and spawn time I have set it 5 seconds. Now if I press play, just set this so that our players start falling on this. Now if I press play, here you can see our spawn platforms are starting appear from the points we have set. Perfect. In next lecture we will write the script for our Spike platform as it have some different properties. So see you in next lecture.